Welcome to MATKAM English Academy. Today, we'll learn how to compare in English using positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. We'll cover the patterns, examples, tips, and common mistakes, so you can speak and write correctly. Let's get started. 1. Positive degree basic form pattern. As plus adjective plus as, or so plus adjective plus as. Examples. My bag is as big as yours. My bag is so big as yours. Use. We use the positive degree to compare two people, animals, places, things, or ideas that are equal or similar. Tip. To show inequality, use not as or not so plus adjective plus as. Example. My bag is not as big as yours. 2. Comparative degree, or more pattern. Adjective plus plus than, or more plus adjective plus than. Examples. My house is bigger than yours. English is more interesting than maths. Use. We use the comparative degree to compare two different people, animals, places, things, or ideas. Tips. Use more with adjectives that have 7 or more letters. Example. Interesting, more interesting. Use with adjectives that have less than 7 letters. Example. Big, bigger. Common mistake. Don't use more and together. More easier, easier. 3. Superlative degree, est, or most pattern. The plus adjective plus est, or the most plus adjective. Examples. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. This is the most beautiful painting in the gallery. Use. We use the superlative degree to compare more than two people, animals, or things. Tips. Use est with adjectives that have less than 7 letters. Example. High, highest. Use most with adjectives that have 7 or more letters. Example. Beautiful, most beautiful. Common mistake. Don't use most and est together. Beautifulest, most beautiful. Well done! Now you know how to use positive, comparative, and superlative degrees correctly. Remember the patterns, follow the tips, and avoid the common mistakes. Keep practicing with your own examples, and stay tuned for more lessons from MATKAM English Academy.